Hello everyone. Here I am. I am on my way to pick up my run kit. Yay! I'm so excited. This is my very first run. So yay! Let's go. So it's here. This is where I'm gonna pick up the kits. Let's see. Where's the line? Is there a line? Yes, there is. Ta-da! Hello everyone, so I got the kit. I got two because one is for my friend. Let me see which one is mine. This is mine, so it comes with this. It's got this and the t-shirt. It's orange. Last year it was, I think it was pink. It's made in Portugal. Wow. It's got this. It's got some food. Oh, nice. What is this? Ah, Viva Gym. And the pins. And of course, looks like this. Very nice. Very excited. Yay! Hello everyone. So I'm home and what can I say? I'm really excited for Sunday, but I'm worried too because yesterday, Thursday, yeah, I had a severe pain. It's my sciatica pain. And the last time I had it so bad was like few years ago, and I had to get an injection just to be able to walk. And if this happens now, it means I won't be able to go for my first 5K walk, run or jog. And oh no, let's see. I'm taking it easy. Not exercising. I've been doing stretchings, and I don't play paddle. I don't play any sports. Not now. So next week I will resume after the 5K jog. Yes, yay!